Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a true banger for you, so I hope that you will stay till the end and enjoy this video, guys, because I'm more than excited to bring Eyes Open Network to you today, guys. Before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into the video, guys. So Eyes Open Network is the decentralized future, guys. They are the future of digital connectivity, as they describe themselves here. And in this video, I wanted to talk about some major highlights of them and explain why it's a great project and why it's still very undervalued in my opinion. I wanted to talk about their advantages, about stuff that they have, some of their features and all of that, and I have outlined all of this stuff for you guys, so I can basically introduce you to each one of these things. So today we'll talk about rapid adoption of Tap to Mine app, token recognition, credibility, testnet, and many other things, guys. Before we do it, I just wanted to quickly go through the website, and then I will be giving you all the informations that I have prepared for you. So as you can see, they are trusted by 9 million plus users around the world. They are really known, so most of you might already know them, but to those that don't, well, I'm glad that you found the video. So they're trusted by leading global exchanges. That's true. Their token is listed on multiple exchanges, so we'll go over that as well. Their vision: enabling a new era of decentralized application development, accelerating blockchain adoption. 9 million users, it's a pretty great result, I'd say. Onboarding the next billion users to Web3. They're the gateway to decentralization. Yes, indeed. And they have one app for everything, which is also pretty cool, because you have wallet, you have social app, and you have chat all in one, guys. Okay, so it's pretty cool, a really nice concept, and this concept works really well, which is also pretty important. So building the foundation for the decentralized future, our layer on blockchain is engineered for high performance, facilitating fast, scalable, and unrestricted digital interactions, ensuring user freedoms and robust network integrity. This is the ICE blockchain, guys. So you have censorship resistance, exceptional processing speed, and scalable infrastructure. And it is called ION, as you can see. So ION provides unrestricted access to information, allowing users worldwide to overcome regional blocks and connect with global content. Alright, so first of all, guys, let's talk about the rapid adoption of Tap to Mine app, which is something that I also really like about them. So guys, in July 2023, Eyes Open Network has introduced a revolutionary Tap to Mine app that quickly captivated the blockchain community, drawing an impressive 1 million users in just the first week, guys. In just a week, they managed to get 1 million users, and by the 7-month mark, they had grown to 9 million users. So this is really showcasing the massive application's potential and appeal, and the overall platform explosive growth potential, okay, guys? Because getting this much users within such a short period of time definitely speaks volumes, and it shows that people trust ICE and that people are starting to see the potential here behind it, okay? Then, as I said, I wanted to talk quickly about the token itself, about the recognition of the token and the credibility. First of all, what I wanted to mention is the fact that they have a really impressive last 7 days. As you can see, they are up 35%, while most of the market currently is down in red. Their volume has grown quite a lot to 8 million. And as you can see, guys, what I really love about it is they are on BNB chain, guys. So the fees are next to zero here, because on BNB you can obviously transact very cheaply, if I can call it like that. So they are on HTX, OKX. OKX, I would say, is the best if you want to use centralized exchange. They also are on Gate, okay, so these two would be my recommendations when it comes to centralized, and then obviously you have PancakeSwap as well if you prefer DEXs like me. But they are on multiple exchanges, and obviously they have much more to come as well. But yeah, getting into what I wanted to say is that ICE, which is their network's token, achieved a significant recognition by being listed on top global cryptocurrency exchanges such as OKX, KuCoin, HTX, Gate, MXC, BitGet, and many others, guys. And this listing underscores the growing influence and credibility of Eyes Open Network in the competitive crypto space. Then we wanted to I wanted to actually, for you, touch a little bit on their testnet launch, guys, because in March 2024, this date has marked the launch of their testnet, which is a crucial step toward perfecting their network's functionality. The Ion blockchain, that's the name of the blockchain. Before I said ICE blockchain, but I meant that it's, you know, from ICE Open Network. But yeah, the blockchain itself, ION blockchain, is built on top of the scalable and ultra-fast TON blockchain technology, which is essential in preparing for their mainnet launch. And this foundation ensures exceptional speed, high scalability, and robust security as they move forward, which is pretty important, especially when you are building a blockchain. It makes sense, right? So you also have foundational features here of Ion itself. You have Ion ID, as you can see, Ion Liberty, Ion Connect, and Ion Vault, guys. And you can read about each of these particular features, about each of these particular components if you click learn more. Then you also have coin metrics, so this shows you all the volumes and all of that. I will touch on this in a second as well. So moving forward, guys, I also wanted to talk about their Frostbite app, okay, and the fact that they are introducing Frostbite for censorship-free web. So their upcoming Frostbite app, which is part of Ion Liberty, guys, is set to redefine online freedom. And you may ask why. Well, the app launches this month, guys, and it aims to provide secure, fast, and censorship-resistant access, empowering users with a more private and free internet experience. Censorship in current internet, guys, is a really big problem, and they are here to fight it. They are here to provide a solution, okay? They are here to provide a solution, and that's what I really can't wait for, to be honest with you. I will be more than happy to see it and test it out. I also wanted to invite you to their Twitter, guys, because that's where you can get a lot of information from their Twitter. And essentially they are posting updates almost daily. I'm not gonna say that daily, but almost daily. Sometimes it is daily too, as you can see here, 15th, 16th, 17th of April. But yeah, pretty much they are very consistent here, posting different, you know, updates as well as threads and all of that. Then you also have the Frostbite information. I was searching for this one, that's how I got the info here. So this is the app in itself, and that's what I'm, you know, waiting for. Then they also have, guys, the innovative startup program, which is really cool. So ICE Open Network is actively nurturing new projects through their startup program within the Tap to Mine ecosystem, guys. And the first of these projects, featuring ready-to-market products as well as others with years of brand history and community engagement, will be launched this May. So this is really exciting month for ICE, okay? And additional projects are scheduled for launch after this initial release, guys. Their tokens will be launched on their Ion Layer 1 blockchain on mainnet, okay? And this strategy enriches the ecosystem with diverse utilities and real-world blockchain applications, showcasing both innovation and maturity in what they offer. And I guess you can agree with me on that. And then, guys, mainnet launch in itself is another big highlight. Mainnet launch as well as user engagement goals, guys. So as they build, you know, toward the mainnet launch, which is scheduled for late 2024. So yes, this will be still during this year, which is another exciting news. Guys, ICE Open Network aims to engage 50 million active users, setting the stage to become the largest audience for a Layer 1 blockchain launch day. And the ambitious target reflects the commitment of the team to leading the future of blockchain technology. And you know that I always like when projects are ambitious, okay? Because if you want to change something within the blockchain, if you want to be unique, okay? If you want to provide something than others, then you definitely have to be ambitious these days, okay? Because there is a lot of competition, let's be honest. So it's great to see the ambitious team and the ambitious goal, which can be met easily, guys. They have 9 million users right now, and they have still half of 2024. This is crazy to say, by the way. I feel like it's, you know, first January, but it's not. Time flies, really. But yeah, they still have over half a year to grow their user base. So then they are empowering user-created applications, guys. So taking inspiration from how WordPress revolutionized content management by making website creation accessible to the masses in 2003, ICE Open Network is set to transform the app development landscape, guys. Their framework allows individuals without any development experience to effortlessly create and launch decentralized applications using their drag and drop app builder. So it's like a website builder, really super easy to use and very user friendly. You don't need knowledge, which is also amazing, right? So just as WordPress enabled users to build websites easily, they empower people to create apps for multiple platforms. So you have Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and web, obviously, making them interoperable within their decentralized ecosystem, guys. So this approach not only democratizes app development, but it also enriches user experience across the digital space, right? Which is also pretty great. So these are the highlights that I have prepared for you, and I said that I wanted to quickly touch on these coin metrics. Guys, what I specifically wanted to talk about is the market cap. 35 million, guys. What is this? What is 35 million? Let's be honest, okay? What is 35 million for a project that provides this much with their own blockchain, guys, that is launching soon? Because in this year, right, with these features that they have, 34 million. This is incredibly undervalued, guys. Incredibly undervalued. Obviously, I'm not here to speculate, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, as I said. I'm not a future teller, but this could 10x, could 20x, could very well 30x, okay? It has utility, which many projects these days simply lack. There is a lot of meme coins that lack utility, and they still manage to pull off some incredible, insane market caps, basically pure out of hype. And these guys are not about the hype, okay? These guys are about the long run. These guys are about building, about developing. So this is why I think that they have a lot of potential. If you are interested in exploring them more, they have white paper, which is directly on the website. It's something also that other projects, you know, can't do. Others do, like, you know, white papers that you need to download, which in itself is, many people don't like downloading stuff to their computer, you know, which might seem a little stupid at first, but I get it personally. And these guys have the white paper on website directly. As you can see, it's 92-minute read if you want to go through all of this. Obviously you don't have to. You have a great table of contents which has a lot of information, guys. This is one of the most detailed white papers that I have ever seen. I mean it, really. One of the most detailed white papers that I have ever seen. So if you want to learn more about ICE, about ION, man, white paper is the way to do it, okay? I will link everything down below. Join their Twitter, join their Telegram. They are also posting a lot of news here. 1 million subscribers, guys. They have more subscribers than I have on my YouTube, which is also pretty incredible. So if you are interested in checking them out, which you definitely should, because you are seriously missing out, a lot of people are missing out, a lot of people are sleeping on them. You know, your boy showed you this. Remember about this while you make some profit here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. All links are down below in the description. See you guys in the next videos.